So what up guys, what I'm going to present to you right now is the third limit law, which states that if p of x is a polynomial, then the limit of the function of p of x as x approaches to a is equal to p of a. So clearly in this law it shows the substitution law. How? So let's state the law again. If p of x is a polynomial, so for example, I want my polynomial to be a binomial, it would be 2x plus 3, then the limit of the function of p of x, which is 2x plus 3, as x approaches to a is equal to p of a. So, here is my given. Px is equal to 2x plus 3. So x here doesn't have any value. So what we're going to do is we will substitute x by a that is equal to 1. So let a be equal to 1. So we're going to solve this equation above. So here it is. 2x plus 3. Px is equal to 2x plus 3. So since x here doesn't have a value, we will substitute it by a, which is equal to 1. So here it is. 2, 1 plus 3. So since we do all know that this symbol here it shows multiplication. So 2 times 1 plus 3. 2 times 1 is equal to 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So the answer in this equation is 5. Next up is the table of place values. Here, we are being asked of what 2x plus 3 gets close to as x gets close to 1. So yeah, this is the table of place value, Okay, 2x plus 3 and x. So 2x plus 3 is in the first row, which contains 4.8, 4.998, the unknown, 5.002, and 5.02. Next, the second row, x. X contains 0.9, 0.999, 1, 1.001, and 1.01. So we are asked to find the unknown. So how do we find the unknown? It's simple. All we have to do is to round off both sides. Since the unknown is in the middle and the left side and the right side has values, and all we have to do is to round off. So first, let's round off the left side. 5.002. So we will round off this value. 0 here is not greater than 5. It's not more than 5. So the answer here would be 5 only. Next is 4.998. Since 9 here is more than 5, greater than 5, then 4 here will not be 4. It will be 5. So the answer here is 5. So see, both sides contains the same answer, which is 5. So meaning the unknown here is 5, right? Am I right? So next, what if 5 is here but 1 is the unknown? So all we have to do is to do the same thing. Round off both sides. So first, let's round off the left side. 1.001. 0 here is not greater than 5, so the answer here would be 1. Take note of that. Next is 0.999. Since 9 here is more than 5, then 0 here becomes 1. So see, it's still the same. Both sides contains the same answer, which the unknown here is 1. So that's how we do the table of place values. Next is to graph. Since earlier the answer of the equation is 5, then 5 is in the axis. No, in the y-axis, because there are two axes, the y-axis and the x-axis. So 5 and 1. 1 here is this. So this is the x-axis. So see, y-axis, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In the x-axis, 1. So as you can see, this is the limit or the period, which here aligns with 5 and here aligns with 1. So yeah, so this is where you're going to place a period, which represents a limit. Then you draw a line. So that's how we do the graph, do the table of values, and how we solve the equation of the third limit law. So again, this is the third limit law, which states that if p of x is a polynomial, then the limit of the function of p of x as x approaches to a is equal to p of a. That is all. Thank you.